Welcome to Dorman Product's installation video for our pre-pressed axle assemblies. This time-saving kit was designed to reduce the amount of time required to tear down and rebuild a complete axle assembly just to replace a worn wheel bearing. We're installing this kit on a Toyota 4Runner. The procedure will be similar but may vary slightly for other vehicles that use a similar axle design. This installation is considered medium difficulty and may take an hour and a half per side to perform. With the vehicle securely lifted and the wheel removed, start by removing the caliper assembly from the axle. Secure the caliper on a hook to relieve stress on the brake line. Then remove the brake rotor. With the rotor removed, carefully disassemble the parking brake mechanism. Keep all the parts and hardware as they'll be reused. Remove the bolts securing the parking brake cable retainer from the backing shield. Spray penetrating lubricant on the hub retaining bolts, and while they're soaking, disconnect the wheel speed sensor harness. Remove the bolts securing the wheel hub to the axle housing. Disconnect the brake fluid line from the brake caliper and cap the line to prevent fluid from leaking or contaminants from entering the system. Fully withdraw the axle assembly from the axle housing. Remove the wheel speed sensor from the original wheel hub and install it in the new wheel hub, torquing the bolt to factory specs. Remove the original axle seal from the axle housing, being careful not to damage the seal surface. Install the new axle seal in the axle housing, using a seal driver to set it squarely in position. Remove the nuts installed on the back of the new hub and insert the new pre-pressed axle assembly into the axle housing. Keep the axle shaft centered in the tube and carefully align the axle splines, which should slip into the pinion gear firmly but with ease. Align the new wheel hub with the axle housing and secure the two with the new nuts. Reassemble the parking brake hardware in the new assembly, applying lubricant to the contact points for the brake shoes. Reconnect the brake caliper to the brake line, routing the brake line through the opening in the backing plate. Reassemble the rear brakes in reverse order of disassembly. Bleed the brake system and adjust the parking brake as necessary before reinstalling the wheel and tire. If at any point you have issues, the Dorman technical support team is standing by to help.